Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to reset Pet and Void Pet. So I'm in Void Pet Dungeon, and I had this moment where I looked at one of my pets and thought, yeah, I definitely messed that build up. Naturally, the first thing I tried to find was some kind of reset button. Like, let me just undo my bad decisions, right? But here's the reality. There is actually no way to fully reset a void pet. Once you invest resources, level it up, or commit to a build, that progress is locked in. I even check around thinking maybe I missed something hidden in the menus, but nope, it's just not a feature in the game. The only thing you can do is change the visual stage, like making it look like its earlier form again, but that's purely cosmetic. It doesn't refund anything or reset stats. So, a quick tip from experience, think twice before investing heavily into a pet early on. In this game, your decisions stick, which is great when you're right and painful when you're not. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.